If you want to learn how to edit on X.com, also known as Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you the exact steps to edit a post, but first, there's one important thing you need to know. You must have a premium subscription to use the edit feature. If you don't have premium, the edit option won't appear. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's walk through it step by step. First, go to X.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, find the post you want to edit. You can do this by scrolling through your timeline, visiting your profile, or opening the post directly if you already know where it is. When you find the post, look for the More menu. This is usually represented by the 3 dots on the post. Click or tap that menu to open your options. From the list that appears, select Edit Post. If you have premium access, X will open the editing screen and let you change the text of your post. Make your changes carefully, then save or confirm the update so the edited version is published. And that's it, your post is now updated on X.com. It's a very simple process once you know where to look, but the premium requirement is the key thing to remember. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.